Hey guys, we're here looking at a 2006 Freightliner M2 water truck with a 4,000 gallon ledwell tank, 43,690 miles. It's got a Cat C7 diesel engine with a Fuller 9-speed transmission. This truck is in really good shape. I bought it from Quest Civil Construction. Everything works. I'm going to do a quick walk around here, but we've gone through this truck to make sure that everything works. It's got a rear hose reel, decent tires, pop the hood for us. Looking inside the cab, nice clean cab, Fuller 9-speed right there, controls, good clean dash, nothing broke up. Again, 43,690 miles. Looking at the engine compartment, you can see it's a Cat C7. No major leaks. Don't see any leaks, but no major leaks. This one spot on the bumper is broken. It's just a fiberglass piece. It's available, I'm sure. Sorry about that, Hemio had to open the valve. Thanks for watching. Again, we've got a 2006 Freightliner M2 water truck with a ledwell 4,000 gallon tank. It's a nice truck. It's well below retail average, probably more like a wholesale dealer cost at $54,500. You can look at us also on rhinomachinery.com on the front page. The truck will be there as well if you want to see more pictures. Or feel free to give us a call at 979-242-5881. Thanks.